How do you feel about the fact that, and I think you talk about climate change a lot less than you used to, at a time when the science around climate change is getting more and more certain, that its political traction has just collapsed?
Yeah. Well, I noticed the change, I think, around Copenhagen, when there was a huge amount of hope and expectation amongst those of us who were concerned about climate change, that world leaders would come together and come up with a plan that would really take us in the direction that we needed to go. And when that collapsed, it really does feel like something changed politically through that whole process. And I know the Welsh Government, for example, now has rolled back quite a lot on previous climate commitments that were made under the One Wales Government, for example. And so the context of the debate has become more difficult. But as you say, the science is very solid and becoming more solid. And the imperative for us to act is really great. I don't know how, during a recession, we have the debate that enables us to put sustainability and job creation on the same level. And I think that the other thing that's happened as well since the Copenhagen thing is one thing, but the economic crash hasn't helped, because it does seem to be the debate around being jobs at all costs, regardless what they are, regardless whether they're going to be dirty jobs, polluting jobs in the future. So that's a problem as well. But, I mean, climate change hasn't diminished in any way in terms of the importance of it as a political issue for me. And as far as I'm concerned, I see climate change as being something that offers us opportunities to create jobs in the different sectors that we're going to need in the future, and an opportunity to build in resilience into Wales that simply doesn't exist at the moment. So we are so at the mercy of forces outside of our control. World events elsewhere impact on our economy here. So if we are going to have more stability and resilience in the future, then we need to be thinking about what mechanisms we need to introduce into our economy to ensure that those shocks, those external shocks, we can limit the damage to our communities from those in the future. And that's where the green print comes from, really.
So green policies will still have a prominent role in your next manifesto?
Yes, yes.